Hello, this is part number 4. We are working on the banking system. So back to the diagram that we started with, we finished the first subprogram, the login. We finished the deposit and withdraw. Each one of these pieces implemented as methods, and now the last one, which will be the display details. And here I'll return nothing. This method will display the information or the details of the account. So here we have string the name of the customer and the balance that we want to send from the main, and here a string of the account type if we want. So this is the method. All what I will do is just printing some messages and the account balance. So this one we can do with or without just by calling the global variable, but here just to show you different ways of using the methods. And here is the type and just account type to be displayed. So these are just the information we need to display at the end of the day. Now going back to the main, and here we can just do some operations on that. So all what I want to do is to call this method that is called display details, and here is the name, the username, and account balance, and here we can do the account type like saving account. So by the way, you can just accept input from user using the scanner and then pass them to there. So let's run this code, and here is the username, password is the password, and here's the amount to deposit 1300, and this is the transaction is completed. The balance after withdraw 200, and then this is the name admin, the current balance, and the type of the saving, and this is the output of the method here. So one more thing, if you want to make more than one deposit, so this is the one of the benefits of using the method. So there is no need to repeat all the statements, all the code. All what you need is just to add the amount, call the method, and that's it. You see that? So here we are calling the method twice. You can call it as much as you want, and this is the good thing with the method. So just by calling its name, it will execute the code. There is no need to write any other statements. So now let's modify the main method and to build a menu that will be shared with the user, and this is the menu, and here I'll display the menu many times as needed, and while the user entered the valid input, then the right operation will be run, and if the user entered 0, then we will quit displaying this menu and exit the project. So we'll accept input, and based on the input I'm using the switch. Case it is 1, then we can go ahead and do the deposit. If it is 2, then withdraw, and so on until the user entered the valid number. So at the end, while it's not quit, the quit is the parameter that we can set to verify if the user want to quit this program or keep going. This is the while, and then thank you to terminate this program. So I'll leave this full project in the description below here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to watch all of the 4 parts, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much, and see you in next week.